Lilydale Instant Lawn is a trusted Australian-owned business operating since 1985 with 3 farm locations at Yarra Glen, Pakenham and Bairnsdale. At Lilydale Instant Lawn we produce premium instant lawn varieties to service the domestic, trade and commercial markets. We work with skilled operators, a modern fleet of trucks, trailers, forklifts and telematics systems, along with our own maintenance department to ensure our fleet are regularly safety checked and serviced to ensure our teams and the public's safety. Our drivers are an integral part of our business and we pride ourselves on our delivery team's skill and professionalism, which goes a long way to ensure all our customers receive the Lilydale experience. Our logistics team's professionalism and management's open door policy is something we are proud of. We have one common aim, and that is to ensure your experience with us is truly exceptional. So if you're a skilled professional driver, team player, wanting a great remuneration package and seeking a work-life balance, we would love to hear from you. To apply to our HC vacancy, please click on the link below. Thank you.